Welcome back to Knives and Tequila, and today we're making chimichangas. And there's a lot of history behind this meal, a large debate, the origin, who invented the chimichanga, and I'm here to tell you, who gives a shit? Congrats, you put meat in a tortilla and you deep fried it. How innovative. Now, I'm not concerned with these conundrums of the past. The future is now, and what matters now is who's making the best chimichanga. And guess what? That man, it's me. Now before we get started, be sure to subscribe, because I'm tired of paying for tequila. Subscribe. Now on to our cocktail. We're gonna be using our non-sponsored tequila, Altos, which is Spanish for the talls. So we're gonna make a tall glass of things that I enjoy. 1 tequila, lime, a little topo, and a jalapeno. God, it's not a twist off. Not smart, not smart, not smart. It's gonna happen. Jesus. Fizzy bubbly. All right, now we can get cooking. Now before we get started with our changas, we're gonna make the little drizzle for on top. So we're gonna start with onions. It's easy when they're already cut. Cilantro, and tomatoes. Now I'm gonna add a few jalapenos. Give it a little kick, because I want my chimichangas on fire. Now we're just gonna add a little salt and pepper and a nice lime squeeze. And so we're just gonna mix this around. Oh, how delicious it looks. All right, so we're gonna set this aside and move on to our changa filling, which is gonna be, bam, we've got some shredded chicken. We're gonna add hot hatch green chilies. We're also gonna add some garlic, a little salt, some pepper, ground cumin. And now for the odd ingredient, orange juice. I don't know why you put orange juice on here, but read a recipe and that's what it said, so there we go. We're gonna also add another squeeze of lime juice. Big gulps. Now we mix. All right, so now that we've got our filling, it's time to roll. We've got some lower cal whole wheat tortillas. We're gonna dump. Now before we roll this thing up, we're gonna add some habanero jack, because like I said, I want these changas to burn your face off. Fold over them sides. Bam. So we're gonna go ahead and spray the bottom of this. Then we're gonna throw this guy face down. Changa number 2. And last one. So now I'm gonna coat these bad boys with a little olive oil, because I want to be crispy brown. And we're going into the air fryer at 400 for 8 minutes. All right, we're 4 minutes in, so we're gonna flip these guys. Don't do that, do it. Hot. Oh, hot. Ah. Going back in for another 4. And we are ready. Oh, crispy. Now before we take this out to plate it, we wanna make sure we have a beautiful bed of lettuce. We wanna make this look good. So I'm gonna knock this out in a hurry. Haters gonna keep on hating. Glad that was so finely chopped. We're just gonna throw a little layer down on the plate here. Oh, how pretty. Now we grab our changa. Oh, it's pretty. And now we're gonna add a little bit of non-fat Greek yogurt. Get a little more protein in this feast. And lastly, avocado. And to top it off, chimichanga drizzle. And that is a feast. The world's best chimichanga. Now the fat loss code today, well, that's an easy one. Recipes. I encourage you to try it, because this, it's not an original. We stole it. Yeah, we stole it from Skinny Taste and we made it a hell of a lot better. So use recipes as a baseline and make it however you like. Enjoy. If you like what we're cooking up in the kitchen, be sure to subscribe and we'll give you more recipes that you could or could not make. But we encourage you to make them. Just make them.